What if you could get paid for something that's already happening in your business every day? What do you mean? Look around. See how many customers are on their phones right now? They're scrolling, watching videos, using apps. All that data they're using, you could be earning money from it. I don't understand. How would I make money from that? Here's the thing. Your customers are already using tons of data while they're here, but it's going through cell towers that are getting overloaded. We help mobile carriers like AT&T and T-Mobile reduce tower congestion by offloading their subscribers to our hotspot, and we pay you for every bit of data that goes through. So you want to use my internet? Won't that slow everything down? Not at all. You're paying for an internet connection whether anyone uses it or not, right? Most businesses only use a fraction of what they're paying for. The extra bandwidth you're already paying for is exactly what we're monetizing. What about security? I've heard horror stories about guest Wi-Fi. I totally get that concern. But our hotspot is actually way more secure than regular guest Wi-Fi. It's a one-way tunnel that completely bypasses your systems. We use a few key features to make sure of that. Okay, what's the difference? First, we use client isolation, which means customer devices can only connect out to the internet. They can't see each other or anything on your business network. Second, we have a host LAN block, which completely blocks any traffic from a user on our hotspot from accessing devices on your main network. Third, we have reject WAN traffic, so no outside data can be routed back into your network. All this means is that nobody can talk to anyone else on the network, not to each other, and definitely not to your business systems. That sounds good. What would I have to do? Honestly, nothing. We bring in a small device about the size of a smoke detector, plug it into your internet, and handle everything else. Installation, maintenance, monitoring, all on us. How would my customers even know to use it? They don't have to know anything. If they're AT&T or T-Mobile customers, their phone automatically connects through their SIM card. No passwords, no asking staff for Wi-Fi codes. They just get better service without any hassle. That would actually help. I get complaints about poor cell service here all the time. Exactly. You know how frustrating it is when a customer can't get their mobile payment to work? Or a delivery driver can't load an order? Or like that UPS store owner who told me their customer couldn't get the Amazon QR code to load for a return and had to go outside to screenshot it. This fixes all of that. Plus, we can also set up a secure guest Wi-Fi with your business name that customers can easily connect to with a QR code that uses the same security used for Carrier Offload. So, how much money are we talking about? It depends on how much data your customers use, but you can think of it as found money. You're getting paid for internet capacity you are already paying for. How does the payment work? And is there a contract or anything? We give you a host dashboard where you can see exactly how much data is being offloaded every day. We'll send you a direct deposit quarterly, so it's a completely passive revenue stream. As for a contract, there is zero commitment from you. We handle all the costs and risks. If you ever want out for any reason, we'll remove everything, no hassle. You literally cannot lose money on this. We actually have our own IT company that manages our network. Perfect. We work with IT companies all the time. Instead of adding new hardware, we can often just install our Carrier Offload certificate on your existing equipment, Cisco, Unify, Aruba, or Ruckus. Your IT team will love that we're maximizing what you've already invested in. This sounds great. So, what kind of businesses or locations are a good fit for this? We work with all kinds of businesses: restaurants, retail stores, gyms, laundromats, bowling alleys, medical offices, anywhere people spend time. We're currently working with AT&T, T-Mobile, and Google-Fi. As our network grows, more carriers will join, which means your revenue will grow right along with it. This sounds interesting. What's the next step? You can get started right now. Just go to www.carrieroffload.com and apply to be a host.